akong bangs. There na na. Ara, sasman saga. Katanda siya saga. Busy kami kasi we will be going to the airport today. Kagidalong akong magulang. And there. Hello. Dulom-dulom. Thanks. Show your face. Last ko nga meet up before 2019 ends. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
This is my Christmas gift to you.
Yay!
Share mo na lang sila.
Yup. Thank you.
Especially baked by my sister. Z's Heavenly Cookies.
Yan. So kung gusto nyo nga may panregalo ka mo, sorry nga kung bangs naghulag. Like pa siya na-fix. Okay, there you go. Kung gusto nyo may regalo ka mo by 2020, no? I-chat nyo lang si
Osmond.
Osmond Rubinos to get this Z's Heavenly Goodies. Tiluwanan ta na siya karon pa. Taste test ta sa ako niya mother dear.
Pwede siya, ayan, especially good for adults. For more adult persons kasi hindi siya muna ka-sweet. Kay kuha ni siya gali mango walnut.
Ay, astig. No, mango na walnut.
I believe ha. And do may gamay lang na siya ng chocolate chip. Ilang taon nyo lang karon, very fun. Kay do wala siya.
Pero in fairness, impressive kay kanami sang iya packaging nami gi siya pang regalo. Especially, I believe, no, kung may mga birthdays na, mga 2020, gaisip ka mo kung ano naman ang bago nyo nga pang giveaway sa inyong mga birthday parties. Here we have Z's Heavenly Goodies. Thank you very much, Osmond. Thank you for 2019.
Thank you for the on-the-spot vlogging.
Yeah! Sige. I-fix ko pa lang ako nga, karon nga bang. Sige, thank you very much. And kasabad. Okay. Thank you. Bye!
Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Ayan man ko, gusto niyo na? If you like me having a bangs by 2020, please comment down below! Happy New Year! Thumbs up? Spaghetti ala corned beef na nakain na namin. Spaghetti with white sauce and you just pair it with ham. Then some squashy and apple salad. Once again, thank you very much for joining us for the past 10 months here in my vlog, and we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Welcome 2020! Bye-bye! Diba? Scare ka mo sa akon, Chora. Ay, work more tayo ngayon. Work So there's Nanay, and that's Leia. And see you later sa Manila.
Absolute.
Endorser, absolute. Baka naman.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang nagganay, kag hindi pagkalimdin. Ruby inspired!